Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. Please note, this video is only for the 5G version, so in case if you're having the regular version, then it's different, so check out my video in the description. So if you're having the 5G version, so the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, then let's start the video here. And first of all, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. And for that you need to remove everything here, and then you will find here at the back of it the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. The other ways, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care that you use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you can insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. Press it well, that's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. If you want, you can add also a second SIM card if you're turning your SIM tray here. This is optional. Let's do it as well here. And if you want to insert two SIM cards, press them well from both sides so that they are well inserted. And yeah, this is how it should look like then. It looks the same like the first SIM card, so also missing corner here to missing corner, and the contacts, they are on top. Okay, and if you're ready with it, you can put back the SIM tray, anyhow with one or two SIM cards, back to the SIM slot here. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.